Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Whooshi, which is another Bluetooth receiver and amplifier as well. And this Bluetooth receiver uses a Cirrus Logic DAC, and they claim that it's up to 32-bit and 384 kHz. And it should also support USB-C input for to use it as an audio card on the PC. So it will be pretty interesting to test this one. It also has Qualcomm aptX HD, but it doesn't have LDAC. According to the specification, it doesn't have LDAC. So that's something that you must know before deciding if you want this product or not. This was a Kickstarter campaign and I received it today. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box. It says that it lasts up to 8 hours, and in the specifications it says that it charges in about 2 hours, which is pretty a long time, but considering it lasts 8 hours, that's also great because it should last a good amount of time. So yeah, as you can see, the box already came in these conditions. They just use a simple packaging, but other than that, let's hope that the stuff inside are good. And we can first see the Whooshi itself, and it's kind of big. Though it may seem that it's small in the image, but it's actually big. Look at the size of it. Now, if I compare it to other Bluetooth adapters, for example, the Air Studio, by its size, you can see that the difference in size. You can see that the Whooshi is definitely bigger. Now, it just feels good to touch. It has some soft material here, and here are the buttons, of course, which the middle one should be the one to power it on, and then the up button and to increase volume and to decrease the volume. So those are the buttons. Now, considering continuing with the unboxing, we have the manual here, and then we have the USB-C cable that it comes also with, so we can charge it. It should also support USB DAC mode, so the cable should be able to provide that. I don't know, but we should do that test later. And there's nothing more here, and that's pretty much everything in this one. So I'm going to be listening to it using the my high-disc IEMs that I have here, and for that I normally use the FIIO cable and the IFI air body, because that allows me to listen better to the music and it gives me a better control of the audio volume. So I'm going to be using that. Now let's see the manual here quick. So it says that it supports aptX HD, and let's see, multifunction button to turn it on. Plug the 3.5 headphone into the audio jack and power on. Wired headphones, press and hold. Recharging, USB DAC mode. Plug your headphones and then press simply to connect the amplifier via USB to laptop computer. Firmware update. It also has firmware updatable and updatable firmware, so you can download the app to update it. And yeah, pretty much it. Simple specifications. DAC based PCM support, Bluetooth PCM support. Doesn't mention if when used by USB it also supports this. I doubt it because usually these products use the same interface as the Qualcomm. So probably I don't know if it will support the 32-bit and 384 ones. Now it's pretty big. I still can't believe how big it is. So I'm powering it on. And oh, it has an LED. I think I saw. Does it have an LED or? Yeah, it has an LED here. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to wear it, and I'm going to connect it to my phone and start using listening to music. And let's see. So for that, I have my phone here. So very much I need to first go to the Bluetooth settings here, and I need to let's see if it finds the okay. So you know what, I really need to were the headphones so that I can listen and see if it's in pairing mode or not. So let's see. Okay, it's power on. It just said power on but not pairing. That means that I need to enter pairing. So let's power it off, let's power it on. You can see I have a bunch of Bluetooth adapters paired to it. Okay, now it's pairing, so now I need to press this scan button here and it should detect Whooshi. Here it is. It's pairing. Headset is connected. And now, why is it requesting permission to access my contacts and call history? I don't know. Few ones have that prompt, but others don't. So if I go to Tidal here, and it's loading, right? I'm going to lower the volume. Actually, yes, I need to lower the volume entirely. And then let's go to my collection here. Don't know. Let's say I want to listen to the soundtrack from the new Aladdin movie here in MQA format. So let's press play here and I'm going to give you my impressions of it. Okay. So far, first impressions are good. Has a musical sound. Actually sounds kind of open sounds. Because most Bluetooth adapters they have bass but they don't reproduce the other part of the frequency response rate. And this one so far is great. But especially what I'm liking so far is the openness of the sound. It's like you can hear the instruments. They are separated great. But they are also probably what I'm trying to say that it has a wide soundstage. So, and for just being an aptX one, it actually sounds pretty great. Now this phone doesn't have aptX HD, so I cannot test that. But you can see it's using aptX. Vocal seems to be forward also. But listening to this track from Aladdin, I can hear all of the instrument clearly, and it's probably, again, I'm impressed by the soundstage of this. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So this is the Whooshi and my initial impressions of it. So that's about it for this video. So this concludes this unboxing, overview, testing video maybe. So I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.